I know that all these times and all these trips, and even when you were in the car or during dinner or any time, and you were talking about today, when you were talking about your forever, well, it starts now. All of those promises that you made to each other for when we get married and after we get married, that starts right now. And I have to say that's one of the most beautiful phases of life, is when you can start saying, well, now that we're married, now that you're my husband and you're my wife, it is just a wonderful time.
Oh my God, this is so pretty. I'm so excited to see you. You look so good.
You look so good. Look at you.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. I, Ryan,
Take you, Jennifer,
take you, Jennifer,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
I, Jennifer,
Take you, Ryan,
take you, Ryan,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
Ryan has always been there Few questions asked, give me the broad strokes, I'll be there. He seldom casts judgment, boasts, complains, or shames. Instead, he is kind, patient to a point that I push every time I can when I see him. He is funny, consistent, and the spitting image of those who raised him. We've shared hardships, stupid nicknames like Dolores, Hobart, Herb, Raymond, dumb jokes that should go away but just stay for some reason, and some of my fondest memories, just sitting around with friends new and old, drinking beers in someone's kitchen. I hope you all are lucky enough to have a friend like Ryan someday.
Watching you find someone who loves you for you, matches your energy and dreams, and cares as much as you do has been very exciting to watch and be a part of. You are the sun. And Ryan, thank you for being the one that we always hoped for Jen. Being Jen's best friend is your privilege now. I hope you enjoy growing old with her as much as I've enjoyed growing up with her.
Therefore, through the power vested in me by the state of Michigan, it is certainly my honor and my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. Ryan, you may kiss your beautiful bride.